Hey guys, what's up? It's Nate bringing you more great automotive related content. I hope everyone's having a great day. I hope it's been a great year so far for you guys. I am super excited for today's video because we are going to go and get the Audi today. That's right. We are going to be turning the Audi on for the first time in over a month, and of course since the engine's been completely tore down. I'm super excited. I'm super nervous, but I think that everything's gone super well and I don't think there should be any issues. But I am going to go and work on reconnecting a few lines. Man, the hardest thing of this repair has been trying to get all of the vacuum lines put back together on this engine. I just cannot believe the condition they were in, how ate out they were. And actually right now I'm going to go and get a different fuel line. This is a 3/8 T and 3/8 line, and apparently it's just a little bit too big. So luckily I have a box full of fittings, and I'm going to grab the right fitting, and then we're going to go and grab the right line and some more vacuum tubing. But I'm going to head right down to Auto right now to my buddy's shop, and we're going to go ahead and get the Audi ready to start, run, put fluids in it, and I can't wait. I think this is going to be great. I hope this is not going to turn into a video of my car exploding in front of you guys. Instead, I hope that everything's going to work out perfect, and we're going to have lots of great content and lots of videos to come with the Audi. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so now. Hit that subscribe button, and you get to join me in all of my crazy adventures. Of course, everything on a budget. If you're a normal guy like me and you want to have normal automotive related experiences, go ahead and follow my channel. And yeah, so I'm pulling into Corey's shop right now, and I just noticed that my truck has rolled over to an oil change interval, so vlog on that to come. Hopefully she's going home with me today. I've got to connect, or I should say reconnect, a few more of these vacuum lines. I picked up some of them from the auto parts store. I'm going to hook together a couple of the fuel rail lines. Once again, I broke a couple T and a couple lines were just damaged, so we're going through and replacing those. And guys, doesn't this car look so sick without the bumper on? Too bad that I simply can't leave it like that. Of course not, but we're going to get everything back together today, and then hopefully this car is going home with me. And I do have a confession to make. I haven't been able to find the vacuum hose that hooks into the bottom of the PCV vent or the crankcase vent valves. So hopefully that's not super essential. I'm not sure about that. I'm going to do a little bit of research, but I'm thinking that we're just going to either directly connect them in and skip the vents, or the valves I should say, or we're going to just plug those lines up and hope that it runs really good for now until I can get the right part. But everything absolutely essential with this car is on, and it should be ready to run. So I'm super excited, super nervous to try it out, but hopefully things are going to work good for us. So in a very unfortunate event of me trying to get this off so that I could cut it shorter, I actually broke the intake on the overflow hose in my coolant reservoir. Guys, the car is a lot shorter than I remember it, but I'm super excited to get it off jack stands. Everything appears as if it's ready to go from the video, but I have a few more vacuum lines that I need to connect. I haven't been able to get the right part for the PCV crankshaft vent system, so sadly I'm probably just not going to hook that up right now. I'm probably going to plug those lines or try to bypass the valve. But either way, this car is going to run today, guys. We're going to be turning it on here shortly. I'm going to roll it out of the shop just in case something explodes or creates some fire. I don't want to be responsible for burning this place down. So if you guys haven't figured this out already, I am by myself and I've got to get this 3,600 pound car from here out far enough away from the shop that if it catches on fire I won't burn anything down. So wish me luck. So guys, I can absolutely not believe that that worked, but here we are with the car outside of the shop. I've got a hose right there in case anything starts on fire, I can at least save the shop. And I'm super excited to turn this on. So, got oil in it, we've got coolant, everything's hooked up how it should be. And I'm going to go ahead and start it up the first time. Hope we don't bend any valves, blow up the engine, and then we're going to check for some leaks. Ooh, I'm nervous. Well, I have power in the vehicle. I might attach my OBD reader just to see what the system voltage is, but I think I'm going to have to give it a jump. At least that's what I hope's wrong with it. If not, there's obviously a cable that's disconnected or something wrong with the ECU somewhere. So I'm going to go ahead and check a few things and then I'll get right back to you guys. Hey guys, how's everyone doing? It is super late and I'm actually back on the highway, so I don't want to record very long. But as you probably guessed it, unfortunately I did not or was not able to bring the Audi home. For some reason, like you saw in the last clip, there goes a raccoon. I have an electrical gremlin in some spot of the car that's simply not allowing juice to flow up from the back of the battery to the starter. I've got a couple other issues that are pretty peculiar or odd. The automatic windows don't work. The low beams are not working, but the high beams do. There's certain other electrical issues there that make me think, or that make me confirm that somewhere there's an electrical connection or a relay that is just not firmly in place. Of course, I looked and looked and looked. I couldn't find anything. I cleaned both of the battery posts. We tested the battery. We put a charger on the battery. We did a bunch of stuff, and I'm hoping that it's nothing to do with the starter, or that one of my connections didn't get reconnected with the starter. So I guess there's going to be a part 2 to this video, because I'm not going to give up on the Audi. I'm definitely not going to give up on my dream of running or driving this car again, and I've got just about everything that I have invested into the car at the moment, so I really need to get it working, and I really need to get it sold. But to end this video on a happy note, I have installed the light bar on my pickup truck. I've driven with it for about 2,000 miles now. It's very dark. I'm in the middle of nowhere in Wyoming, and I am using it right now, so let me show you guys kind of the difference here. This is me driving on the highway right now with just my regular lights on. Obviously I don't have high or low beams on the truck because they're still broken, and then this is with the light bar on. And if I can, I'll pull my fog lights out for you guys as well. And there are my fog lights. So this is the view that I have at night while driving, with LED lights installed in both my main headlights, my fog lights, and my light bar, which I absolutely love all three of those. This is without the light bar on, this is with the light bar on, so it does give me a little bit more range, but quite a bit of spread to the sides. I can definitely see any animal coming. I'm cruising right now comfortably at 65 miles an hour, which in any other truck or vehicle I simply would not be doing. I'd probably be going about 50, 55, just because of the amount of deer and wildlife that are on this road. So I'll probably end the video when I get home, but I just wanted to show you guys that on the way home so we can end on a happy note. So stay tuned guys for some more great Audi content. with the 1999 Audi A8 Quattro. Let me know what you guys want to see in the comments below. Please, I read and try to respond to every single comment right now, so go ahead and drop me a comment. Let me know what you guys want to think. If you've liked this video, smash that thumbs up button. I had a really good time and a lot of fun making this video for you guys. It's definitely been an adventure. I can tell you that it's been so much fun with this car, trying to get all of its little quirks worked out. I've been able to learn so much from it, and unfortunately I haven't been able to film a lot of content on it, but being back home, I can now film content for you guys. So stay tuned to my channel, subscribe if you haven't already. I've got some stuff in the works and some great content to come, and I may or may not have some new video equipment coming as well. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.